What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to another currency breakdown for the week. I think this is a currency breakdown actually for the second week of September. And I didn't drop a currency analysis last week, which was NFP, because I was too busy. I was traveling, I had a lot of business to handle. But I'm here with you guys today, and as usual, I'm going to give you guys my take on the currency pairs I'm seeing. Last week was fantastic for myself and my trading community. We won literally all our trades when NFP was released, and we look to keep on striving for greatness in this week. So, what do I see? Straight to the point, DXY has been losing strength. From a technical standpoint, it's broken this initial. It broke, so I'm gonna do like a replay. I'm gonna do a replay till this point, right? I'm gonna do a replay to this point because I really want you guys to see and understand what I'm seeing on DXY, right? I really want you guys to see that. So, as at this day, I'm gonna mark it out for you guys. My strategy is all about DXY. As of this day, August 2nd, 2021, DXY found itself there and started moving, shut up. Of course, that was a buy that we got around that time. This pair moved to that point, to this point, encountered resistance here and just started falling. From that point, it just started getting weak, and that resistance zone matches with this level right here. So if you look at it, this level it actually matches this level right here, this old level. Here was around July 21st, right? So it's been unable to really go beyond that point. And from that time, this is what the pair did. It just zoomed. It just went down, down, down. Oh, it actually went back up, retested this zone, right? Because each time price gets to a resistance point, it does two things. It can either break through it, it can go back down and retest. So we actually see retest there. Went actually up, broke that zone, but encountered another resistance around here. Here. Just breaking it down to show you guys what was happening. I encountered the resistance, and let's see what happened. I think it's from this point that it went down actually, so I'm going to take off this one. So I encountered resistance there, which literally is almost the same with this zone, right, around November 2020. Boom, shot back down. And from there on, we just had a meltdown. Bang, bang. And that's what we have right now for this pair. So as you can see clearly, we had an upward trend zone here, which was broken around here. And now we're respecting again this old trend line, right? We're respecting this old orange downward trend line. What does that mean? Prior to that, I'm looking at the daily chart. I had a zone of consolidation around here on the smaller time frame, and I'm going to show you now shortly. So if I drop it to the 1 hour time frame, for example, hourly chart, this is what I have. So we have this zone that has been broken. We have this trend line that is being respected. What do I want to see this week? I'll be looking at this area, right? Very simple, straight to the point. After NFP was really, really bad. 240K, unemployment is high in the US, and so on. So for this week, I expect weakness, but the two things, right? The times that the market actually breaks down, but it's just a retracement, so it doesn't really take out previous lower lows. So if you look at the entire structure, we look at the entire structure, we're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend because this low here hasn't been taken out. It has not been taken out, this low. So this low is still there. So be very, very careful if you want to trade any of the pairs. And I'm looking at this pair, Fibonacci there. This is looking like almost 50%, right? But it's not really 50%. It's not yet there. But from a candlestick standpoint, if I hide this, just look at this candlestick, lots of rejection over here. Now this rejection is caused by illiquidity, lots of sellers, but people cashed out their money, so just the buyers were left in the market. That's why we have this candlestick. So if I scale back down 1 hour, I have this zone that I'll be looking at. What do I expect? You can go both ways, right? Really, the market does what it wants. The market is king. We could either see this breakout, retest, it continues the uptrend, or dollar can keep on losing strength and resume the downtrend. So that is something that we'll have to see. So if you have to look at zones, I'd like you to look at 92.171, 91.943. So you can come back to this video throughout the week to see, you can mark out your own chart and track it from there. Next market, dollar CAD moves again, same thing. Dominant upward trend on the daily time frame. You can see it here. This is a dominant upward trend line that I had, which has been broken still. 1 hour time frame. What am I seeing? Little area of consolidation over there that I'll be tracking as the week opens. I'll be looking at this zones, and this one actually looks weak, though it's ranging right now. But this is what I expect. My expectation is this. Boom, boom, boom. Right, this will be around Tuesday. I don't know about the calendar. Let's check out the calendar just to see what's coming up next week. So on the calendar, Monday, I don't typically trade on days when there's no activity. So we will see, right? We will see. But this is what this is the area I'm looking at. I'm looking at this area, and I'm going to mark out these zones for you guys. So you can watch out for 125, 438, 124, 926. Those are areas you should be watching out for. If it crosses down, boom, 124, 926, you should look for trades. So, but I don't really think market will move tomorrow because look, there's no data. But from Tuesday, obviously, we will have lots of opportunities to trade. Moving forward, dollar Swiss, same thing, ranging around here. It hasn't broken its own upward trend line, so it's still there. It's hanging in there. It can go either way. 1 hour time frame, scaling it down. What am I seeing? I see a ranging market over here. I see structure around this area. Structure there, right? Structure there. This market can go anywhere. It can go anywhere. Actually, for this market, you can see this, right? Because I see a strong bounce around here. There's a strong bounce around here. Rejection, 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 a couple of rejections. So it can go either way. We just have to stay ready. I give you guys the zones 0.91680 and 0.91147. I won't put an alert there because I just want to wait and see what's going to happen. Euro dollar, another pair that I trade a lot. Downward trend. This market has been falling due to dollar weakness. At the end of last week, we saw this push, upward push, but it's at the top of the trading channel. So what do I expect? I expect it to drop back towards this direction. So I'll go ahead. I expect it to do that, right? And then just boom. So I'll go ahead and give you guys zones, 1 hour time frame. I see the region over there, top of the channel. It's looking good. It's looking weak. Inverted pin bars there from a candlestick standpoint. Try to take this off. There you go. So I'll be looking at this zone this week. Again, I expect it to fall. So even if it goes up, for Euro USD, I will not buy. I will just wait